आम्ही मुद्दाम मायकल बरोबर हांगा आम्ही आत्मपरिस्थिती लायली. आमचे सगळे हेल्थ वर्कर्स असो, फ्रंटलाईन वर्कर्स असो, आमचे डॉक्टर्स, मेंबर्स ऑफ द रोटरी क्लब, मेंबर्स ऑफ लायन्स क्लब, आमकां सगळ्यांक फेलिसिटेट करपाक, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ देम आर पुटिंग their lives, all of you who are also volunteering are putting your own lives at risk and trying to serve the society and in helping in the mission of the state government to carry out this mission of vaccination, which is the only solution to keep us safe, to reduce the mortality and to address the issues in front of us. There is the COVID pandemic-19. Just like Michael said, so many volunteers who have come forward to drive ambulances, and also mentioned that more than 70,000 people and all have been vaccinated in this center and the neighboring centers. With Michael's dynamism and the support that all of you give him, I am confident that he will achieve his target of 100% vaccination in this constituency. And we as the Ministry of Health and the state government will support in whatever way we can to facilitate the vaccination program and take vaccination to the doorstep of the people. I forgot to mention somebody very important here, is Dr. Roshan Nasdeh, under whose supervision is this place. The possibility, initially it was one of the hot spots and everywhere it was being highlighted that Kandolim is a very on the red alert kind of situation. As a result of which today I am told that the positivity rate has come down to less than 2%, and that is a credit to him and his whole team in this area.
PHC Kandolim appreciate करता, especially Director of Health हिंगा स्पेशली येला, मिनिस्टर येला, appreciate करपाक तुमकां, thank you म्हणपाक तुमकां, स्पेशली हिंगासर येयल्या. लास्ट 2 months जे तुम्ही काम केला, भियेन आसतना काम केला, जे योगदान तुम्ही दिला, अशें आहा की कोरोना म्हणटकच कोण एडमिट झाले, थोडे जाण हो संसार सोडून गेले. स्टार्टिंग इनिशियली सगळे लोक भितर रावले, सगळे जाण भिवपाक लागले भायर सरपाक. त्या टायमार ही वॅक्सिनेशन सेंटर्स आमी ओपन केले. एक डायरेक्ट आमचे फुटबॉल ग्राउंडाच्या हेचेर जे तेंचो क्लब आहा तितून एक कलांगूट आनी एक हिंगा नंदन कुचेडकर, सेंट जोसेफाचो डायरेक्टर ब्रदर जोसेफ, आणि कांदोली पंचायत, कलांगूट पंचायत आणि बाकीचे सगळे पंचायती मेळोन आमी हे वॅक्सिनेशन सेंटर स्टार्ट केली. थिंगासर हेल्प करपाक म्हाका दिसता इनिशियली लायन्स क्लबाचे सगळे मेंबर्स फुडें सरले. तितून 2 जाण जेन्ना आमकां अत्यंत गरज आसली लोकांक पावोवपाक 108 पावनासल्यो, खूब कॉल येताले लोकांक हॉस्पिटलान व्हरपाक. डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसूं, गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसूं, मानिपाल आसूं, विजन केअर आसूं, तिंगा व्हरपाक एम्ब्युलन्सी जाय पडल्यो. तिंगा बाब पेडणेकर हिंगा एक यूथ आहा, तो फुडें सरलो, आपूण ड्रायव्हर जाता म्हणून. एक एम्ब्युलन्स त्याच्या हातीन दिली. सानी आमचो पार्राचो वालवालकर, तो फुडें सरलो, आपल्या कडेन आपूण रेडी आहा म्हणून कोरोना पेशंट व्हरपाक. हे नासतना हे असले भुरगे फुडें सरले. सगळ्या पंचायत मेंबरांनी जे काम केलां तेका आयज एप्रिशिएट केला, तेंकां थँक्यू म्हटला. गोय सरकारान थँक्यू म्हटला, गोंयकारांच्या वाटेनसून थँक्यू म्हटला.
Thanks to all our staff, all my staff of PHC Kandolim. We have really worked hard throughout this pandemic. Day, night, throughout they have been working to make this program a success of vaccination as well. I thank Honorable MLA, Michael Lobo. He is not our MLA, he is our team leader. And under him we have our 8 sarpanches. So that's our team, which we formed on May 22nd, 2020. Just when the pandemic, before the lockdown was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister. So that team still continues till today to guide all of us and take decisions for all our 8 villages.
It started on 16th of Jan. And since then, we have increased our vaccination program, expanded our vaccination program in phases. all over the street. So when गोंय भोंवून आमी वॅक्सिनेशन सेंटर आमी केल्ले आसा. पयलीं आमी आमच्या फक्त आमच्या प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आमचे हॉस्पिटल आसा थंयच आमी करताले. बट ग्रॅज्युअली वी हॅव एक्सपांडेड अ प्रोग्राम. ग्रॅज्युअली आमी हो प्रोग्राम गांवांनी आमी व्हरून आयज फाटल्या 2 म्हयन्यांत आमी 165 panchayats all over Goa we have covered. So it is not only in the primary health center, it's happening now. It's not only happening in our hospitals, but we have expanded at the grassroots level. आमी फुडें वचून अशें आमकां सपोर्ट घेवन NGOs जे सपोर्ट आहा, लायन्स क्लब, रॉकेट क्लब, तरेतरेचे NGOs जे आसा, आनी आय एम वेरी happy to see and getting a feedback from Dr. Roshan also. Every day the Lions Club people, members are coming here, sitting here, managing the whole program for us.
The vaccination drive, we started on the 1st of March at the call given by Dr. Roshan. It's now already 100 plus days. We've done more than 70,000 vaccinations. And it was an initiative which was started at that time by the PHC who called us in. Seeing the work that the Lions are doing, our Minister for Ports as well as our Sarpanch of Kandoli, they came forward and they asked us as the Lions Club of Kandoli to help them in the vaccination drive, which we gladly accepted, and we called in our neighboring club, Lions Club of Kalangur, to be with us as well. And this has carried on to the extent that now we have another drive in Kalangur as well, run by the Kalangur Lions. And we have many new initiatives which we have started, including drive-in for people who come here with their cars. We are even going to people's houses. Doctor tells us when there is somebody who is completely invalid, we go to their house and we do the vaccination at their house. And we must compliment the entire staff of PHC who have been taking real efforts, with of course the blessing of our health minister, in actually seeing to it that vaccination carries on. And we are very, very grateful that the PHC as well as the health ministry and our minister has given us the opportunity to serve the people in our community. Thank you.
When the villages of Kandulim and Kalangur were going through a bad phase, we approached our minister, to approach the health minister and the CM, and they immediately helped us with the vaccination drive, which we were wanted. People were a little bit scared to do it in the health center, so we shifted it to the ground, Kandulim ground, and the minister immediately said, "You all can take over the Kandulim Panchayat," and we approached the Lions Club of Kandulim and Lions Club of Kalangur with the other village panchayats of Kalangur and the neighboring villages. And everybody cooperated, and we could, in a very fast manner, we could get down the number of cases in our villages.